Hello, everybody. Welcome to your next course here. And before we get into that, got the winter scenery up here. So, short topic, short video this week. Topic of appreciation. Okay, so one of the definitions is recognition and enjoyment of the good qualities of someone or something. So that's why I bring up the appreciation topic. All of you are in the MBA program. You have other things going on in life, and sometimes we forget how fortunate we are to be able to do the things we do. One of the questions I'll throw at you is, did you wake up today? Also, are you watching this video? If you are answering yes to those, then you have something to appreciate and be thankful for. All right. Life is full of obstacles and distractions, and we focus on what we don't have sometimes versus what we do have. And again, what do you have versus what you don't have? If you're walking and talking, you woke up today, then you got something to be thankful for and appreciate. We do not truly appreciate what we have sometimes, the opportunities we have, and everything we should be thankful for. We focus on negatives instead of positives. The glass of water analogy, is the glass half empty or is it half full? It depends on how your perspective and how you put a positive on even negative situations. Uh, Obstacles are opportunities. One of the things I have always talked about is how bad training is good training because you learn from it. You learn what not to do, you learn how not to do something, and you gain experience from all the bad things that happen. All right. You turn negatives into positives. Okay. And again, you learn from it. Appreciate what you have. Be thankful. You don't have what the less fortunate have. We got homeless people. We have people who, I mean, if you're able to watch this video, then you've got internet. All right. So, and like I say, you may have been in very bad situations, but it could always be worse. And so that's why I say appreciate what you do have. Some people, for example, will go to a food line and they expect to go there and get the food or at a food pantry. But it doesn't even occur to them that we have the food line to go to in the first place. They don't look at that as something to appreciate. They just expect it. And, my point there is, you could be in a place where there isn't even a food line to go to, if that, in that example. So just be thankful for what you have. Don't complain about what you don't have. You are blessed and fortunate to have the opportunity to be where you are to do what you are doing. You're in an MBA program, or you have a certain, a great job, whatever the case is, you have that opportunity to be there and be doing that. And so just appreciate what you have. Hey, everybody, welcome to Human Resource Management, MBA 570. And this course, let's go in here to the modules real quick. All right. So pretty much the same, you got discussions. The first week here, you got 4 chapters that have to do with, uh, managing HR, the trends, equal employment opportunities, safe workspaces, and analyzing and designing jobs. So all these things are things that have gradually over the years come about, you know, based on safety issues or discrimination and different things. So HR, depending on what you plan on doing, is a big field, lots of opportunity in it, and is always changing as far as updating with things. So couple things in here. You got your final paper. All right, so it's all right in here. So you have included in here. You have a community resource interview, and so if you're in both the courses, if you're in the social media and this one, you got to do the interview for both courses. Depending on the company you're working at, you may be able to find both people at the same place. So that makes it easy for a lot of students. I mean, that's what when they end up with having to do 2 courses like this, that's what they do. They just get people from the same place to work at. So it's depending on what your situation is, where you work at. So, all right. And let's go back. Alrighty, so we got the presentation, you got the discussions each week. You got the final paper instructions here, article review, quiz. All right, so each week you'll have some sort of a paper and a quiz. All right, that'll be each week. Of course, discussions too. So that's pretty much it. And then when you get the last week, you got your paper and another quiz there. So that's pretty much it. Uh, as always, I mentioned the other course too. If you're in there, you can get in touch with me 7 days a week. I got my little test question here on the 8-year-old. I had a little project I was working on. Maybe you can tell me what he was doing. So there's that. And with that, I will let you go. So always, get in touch if you need anything. Don't procrastinate and wait to the last week or something like that, especially to get these interviews lined up. So, all right, with that, I will let you go. Have a great week. If you need anything, just get in touch. Take care.